Hey, it's Spence from LaunchFlows.com. We're in the middle of our Double Trouble sale now through October 14th, 2021, where you get lifetime launch flows plus lifetime Bertha, 10,000 words per minute for generating the copy you want for your sales funnel needs. Now, this is an opportunity for you to jump on for just $219, which is a significant value. I'm going to show you real quick in this video how I would use it when setting up one piece or one page product sales and checkout pages. So let me show you what I mean. Here I'm going to create a page with no design skills, no copywriting skills to sell an immediate product and send it to its own checkout. Here I first, in WooCommerce default, create a new product. Let's call it something like My Big Burger. I like to save it first because that way I can choose this product as the place to send somebody when they're actually buying it, because I'm going to add checkout to this page. To add the checkout, first thing I want to do is scroll over and use the LaunchFlows checkout enable box. I simply check that box. And then I want to make sure that I set up the product with whatever the price. Maybe it's a big $21 burger. And with LaunchFlows, I choose burger because I want to actually send somebody here to this product page. I can also set a thank you page or create a custom thank you page if I want for where somebody will go after they buy it. Maybe it's the delivery instructions page. Now I'm going to switch to using Gutenberg. You can use your favorite page builder. I just love how easy it is to use the block editor, as you'll see why. So here I can choose from an existing free library of amazing stuff using cadence blocks or Extendify from the editor plugin. So what's going on is I'm going to go ahead and choose from, let's say, the design library of Cadence, something that I know works out well. By the way, that's the Editor Plus plugin. I'm going to choose this food homepage because it's very attractive, has a lot of stuff on it, but in 2 minutes I'm going to make it into a checkout page, add the call to action to put the product in the cart, and I'm also going to change the copy to make it compelling for somebody to buy now using Bertha. When I put the content in the page, I like to use Cadence here to just choose the full width layout, making it fill the entire screen. Next, I'm going to go back over to the configuration of the product area, and I'm going to grab the LaunchFlows direct checkout link, which will give me something for the call to action to put this product directly in the checkout. And here I'm going to use the top call to action area button, and I'm simply going to click on it, and I'm going to first paste the URL in and engage it. Next, this call to action for the moment, I think is simple enough. I'm just going to say, get it now. You could use Bertha if you wanted, but it's such a simple call to action, I'm not going to do anything. Now let's save it. Now, I actually like most of this copy, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to supplement it, but you can also just replace it. Here I'm going to just add a new paragraph, and I'm going to use Bertha to make some fun copy that will really get somebody interested in this. You click the relative Bertha icon inside of the block that you're working with or inside of the other content. And here I can choose a variety of different scenarios for suggestions. For this, I'm going to use a subheadline, which is something that will supplement the headline I've got. And here I want to tell it what's my business. So Spencer's Burger Emporium. You can put in whatever you want for the title of the website, but for me, I'm going to say it's about my business. And here you give it some information about what you're trying to accomplish. So we offer the world's tastiest and biggest burgers. You can put as much as you want, up to about 800 words, but that's going to prime the pump for suggestion or ideas. Then you click the ideas button. Here's the fun part. It will spit out some suggestions. And if you don't like the suggestions, you can just generate more. Just for simplicity, I actually like this one that just spit out, and I can adjust the ideas to, make the details correct. Like it wasn't established in 1956. Even I'm not that old, but maybe 1996. You click on it and it fills in the copy. Then I can tweak it and style it, and then I'm done. That's the cool thing about using Bertha in line here, is that you can use other tools, but this one is actually right where you need it most. And you can also have a history where you can go back and use the stuff again and again. So here what I would probably do is, of course, go to the block, and I'm going to change the color to something that shows up. And I'll tweak this, established in, let's say, 1996. And we serve over blah, 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 blah. And now I can adjust anything else I want with the spacing and delivery, and I can delete some stuff. And now I've effectively got the two things that I needed. And what was this video? It was like a couple minutes. I've got a beautiful page that I can swap out things. For example, if I don't need a burger, I can swap out the image of the burger for a pizza. I can change the headlines. I can add the copy. I've got everything I need for an effective sales funnel, but it's also a one-page checkout. So one of the things I want to show you is if we go ahead into preview mode, we've got everything we need now that the product is its own sales page. At the top, we still have the old stuff. Then we've got the new stuff that we've built. Let's finish this up by getting rid of everything that we don't need by choosing to go to the LaunchFlows default template. So we scroll down to LaunchFlows and notice we've got the default template. Let's switch to the blank template. And in doing so, we'll get rid of that default stuff from the top. And we're basically done. So now we've got the full width page. We got the call to action. This has the copy we just added that's intelligently created by Bertha. And when we scroll to the bottom, we have the checkout components we need. And you'll notice the burger is in place. Now we can further customize and refine the layout, but I've shown that in many other videos. The point is that Bertha with LaunchFlows gives you everything you need to sell a product and then put it into a sales funnel where maybe at this point, instead of checking out and going to the thank you, I'm going to upsell them something else. Or maybe I have a different kind of a call to action on the thank you page, etc. It's as simple as just daisy chaining the pieces together. And along the way, you don't have to be really proficient at making copywriting or writing copy because Bertha will make the suggestions. It's a really indispensable Swiss Army knife of two things, double trouble, that are really going to make your life easy if you're making sales pages for yourself or your clients, because you can sell with no extra tools right inside of WooCommerce and WordPress. This is Spence. I'll see you on the next video.